this side. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the hose.
Good morning, beautiful people.
Alright. What is up, beautiful people? Thank you for tuning back at my channel here today. I actually cannot see my camera because my eyesight is pretty horrible, but that's beside the point. First off, I want to say thank you to every single one of you guys that decided to subscribe, decided to like, and decided to comment. It means so much to me. I've been wanting to do YouTube for a long time, and I'll tell you guys more about that as we go through the video. But today, it's going to be a video about how I can style my 3-year and some change Freeform dreadlocks, as well as a little bit about what this channel is meant to be, why I started, and a little bit more on my hair journey. I would really appreciate it if you guys could stay to the end of this video. If you could please share this video with anybody that you know. It doesn't even have to be a hair person. I'll explain more so as to why, the direction this channel is headed as well, because I can only believe it's gonna go up from here. I apologize for not posting the 3 times a week that I'm planning on it, but very soon that will be happening, because I have some sit down videos that I'm recording and they will be posted as the week goes on. So that being said, we're gonna go ahead and get into the video. I love every single one of you guys. I think I'm at 44, 45 subscribers right now. And no matter how big my channel gets, I want to appreciate you guys, as well as anybody that comes across this video after I make it to a higher status. Just want you guys to know that no matter how many people come into my life or how big things become, I will never change. I will never change for fame. You can mark my words, it doesn't matter where I get to, I'll always appreciate the people that were there for me from the get-go. So love you guys. Let's get right into this video. Style number 1. Usually what I like to do is, I usually have like 2 headbands, but I'm gonna show you both sides. Okay, I'm gonna use this side because my hair's long enough now. I can actually put my hair up on this side. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it around and pretty much mimic the style I'm going for. It just won't be as, similar, but it's just something to get the ball rolling. So boom, we got that bad boy there. Now we're gonna take this one over here. I like to leave the ones in the front. Typically I would use, when I used to wrap this, I would leave in the front, but I'll go ahead and just leave it like that. There. And then I'll go ahead and wrap this. Usually I do 4 times, but for second video, I'm just gonna go ahead and do it 3. So it won't be as tight as it could be. But basically, I'll do this right here. Yeah. So this is style number 1. I like to call it handyman. It's the first thing that came to my mind. So also in the comment below, let me know which style you guys like the best on me. So this is style number 1, and here is style number 2. Okay, so as promised, style number 2. Honestly, there's very few things I can do. This band is really not big enough to do what I'm trying to do. My sister took the other one, so I have no idea where it's at. Well, that's now. But basically, we're gonna go ahead and stuff this bad boy right in there. Also, in case you guys didn't know, I wrote a book as well. I'll leave the link in the description box below. But yeah, almost the same style, but it's a little different. Guys, there's not too much I can do, but I try to do what I can, And for whatever reason, today now I'm making this video, you can't actually see the red band, but normally when I'm actually trying to wear this style, you always see it. But I'm glad you can't see it right now. Ooh, gotta make move. Okay, I will expose myself. But hey, this is style number 2. And here is style, I don't even know, but here is style number 3. Figure out style number 3. I'm gonna try my absolute best using these bobby pins here to pin it back. But basically, I'm just gonna go ahead and try to do what I can. So basically, also what I talked about earlier in the video is about how I want to tell you guys the direction this channel is headed. And what I really want to be able to do is everything that I put my mind to, right? I don't want to limit myself to hair videos because I know certain people
you get tired of them. There's only so much you can do with your hair, you know. And it's also like I'm way more diverse than that. Even in my own like my businesses and all that stuff, I want to do it all. And I'm young, I can do it all. I can try it all at least, you know, and see what happens. And I don't believe that that's a bad thing, or it's a bad thing to be overly ambitious, because you have to see what you can and can't do. And the only way to find that out is to try and do it, you know. And so on top of that, I want to be able to put out motivational videos that people watch, you know, so they can, I want to be able to show people my entire personality. I don't want to feel like I have to be limited around a certain group of people, demographic, especially here on YouTube, for people to like want to watch my videos and stuff. I want them to come here and watch me because I have something that appeals to them, whether it be 1, 2, 3, 4 different topics, but something they can relax to, you know? I guess this is number 3. Basically what I was trying to do is put it back like this. And usually what I do is I get like a hair tie or something, hairband, and just put it back like that. And then smile a little bit and all that. But taking even further on what I was talking about, like the goal with the channel and all that stuff, I want to be able to put out those funny like social experiment videos. I want them to matter. And I want people, I want, you know, obviously I want to get some subscribers from that, but that's not necessarily the biggest goal. I want to put out something that's funny, that people enjoy, and that makes a difference in their daily life, you know, makes them happy, makes them smile. My ultimate goal is to do like motivational speaking when I get older. Not necessarily older, like I'm starting right now, you know, just finding the opportunity to do so. But like, I would love to do that and just make people smile. That's honestly at the end of the day all I want to do. And get paid to do it pretty much. And I also want to be able to put, you know, free plug, Lacuna Collective, -collective.com. Please check it out. It's my clothing brand, as well as my Instagram right here at GarryWash4. Anyways, continue forward. Basically, I want to be able to do everything that's in my mind too. Social experiments, funny videos like that, serious videos, motivational videos, hair videos that people, you know, that appeal to you guys that are watching this right now, because that's how most of you guys came to check out my channel. I just want to grow this thing big time, you know, and I just want to stay consistent. Eventually, you know, make income off of it, but I have other different ways I'm working on to get, you know, money. Also be able to show you guys different ways and different strategies you can do to make money and stuff like that, you know. You don't have to be in a rat race. My next video will probably be about things I hate about my dreads. And the video after that will probably be me just talking, telling you guys about like all my life, my goals, my aspirations, some of my beliefs, and hopefully it resonates with you and it makes somebody feel special, feel like I'm relatable to you, that you're not alone in whatever thought you have. It's kind of a message behind Lacuna, but that will be featured in that video as well. So the next 2 videos I'm probably about to record right now, change my outfit and all that stuff. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please like, comment, and subscribe right now. Share this video, give it a big fat thumbs up, let people know who I am, because you vibe with me and my energy and my content. Thank you guys so much. Yeah. Also check out Lacuna-collective.com. I'm not gonna put it up here anymore. Maybe I will, but please check it out. Love you guys so much. Everybody that subscribed to this point, it means a lot, and I just hope to see this channel blow up before this year ends, and it would just mean so much to me. Thank you, and see you guys later.
You can do it, mean.